in Sunny's kitchen. We're going to make shiitake mushrooms. S-H-I-I-T-A-K-E. Shiitake. These are great for vitamin D, potassium, iron, zinc. Boosts the immune system. Really boost your. You can add. You can have them like this. Some people add. Well, what I did now is olive oil and sesame seed oil. Let them brown a bit. You could add chives at the end. You could add onions. Some people like to cook them in teriyaki sauce. Tastes real good with teriyaki sauce. Szechuan sauce is good. We're gonna add some instead of sugar. That's what they use. Brown sugars. Szechuan sauce you can make at home. They use brown sugar. We're going to use coconut nectar, real sweet, natural. We got sesame seed oil. Mushroom soy sauce, very important. Ginger. Some butter if you like. Chives. We have our CBD oil we're going to add. So it's shiitake mushrooms and CBD oil from cannabis. Now we're going to put some CBD oil, pure CBD oil. Now we have just a touch. It's like molasses. You don't need a lot, very sweet. It's made from coconut. And some mushroom soy. I'm going to stir this all around. I can smell the CBD oil. Smells real good. And you have your shiitakes. we're just going to grab some fresh red onion and just chop that up real quick. Now we're going to throw some red onion in there real quick. We got our ginger, and you could add paprika, hot spicy chili pepper. There you go, the ultimate immune booster. Now you could have this with your chicken or salad, rice, noodles, but this is just one way of cooking. CBD helps your immune system, colds, flus, body aches and pains. And we just let that cook. Thanks for watching. See you again. Sunny's Kitchen.